Good evening, my name is Joe. Welcome back to another episode of Z Performance Garage. I have not filmed in quite some time, 4 or 5 months, because I went on vacation skiing and then COVID happened. And although I did work on a bunch of stuff, I did do quite a bit. I just didn't film it. I just didn't have the drive to do so. I am going to try and get back into it. However, I do have to have surgery, so I'll be back down for a while. So I might pop out a couple of videos on the Viper, which I'm sitting in currently, as well as my truck project that pretty much got wrapped up during COVID, and a special project that, of course, I'm going to put out where I purchased a project Father's Day car that I redid and surprised my dad on Father's Day for, so that was pretty cool. Yeah, so let's get into the video.
We encourage you to visit with them. They were generous enough to support LTC through a donation for their booth here today. So we would encourage you to talk to those great people as well. Lots of activities. We'll be back in a second. Please enjoy.
There's a Prowler just showed up. Tesla.
Yeah.
Yep, gold wing.
The visitor side of the football field, you'll find our concession stands, and that's where you can get your Philly and also get a ticket if you're watching us. We also have a kiddie zone, a kids section for kids activities, right directly behind the concession stand in the parking lot. You can play laser tag, all kinds of fun games like cornhole, some ball games. We have tractor rides. You see the tractor road around here. So again, we've got almost something for everyone today. It's going to be really fast paced before we go back to another song.
So it's Saturday morning, and we're gonna put a few items that we've received in the mail in our 2000 Dodge Viper GTS. The one thing that I've been wanting to put on for quite some time is the front aqueduct, and finally we've got it. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on the car and maybe a few other things, and yeah, so let's get started. So there you go. We installed our aqueduct. I am gonna have to pull it back off to paint it similar to the grills. Just wanted to do a test fit on it. Got our windshield wipers installed as well. I do have to get the caps. I don't know where I put those, but yeah, I mean, it's starting to look more and more like a Viper. Here we go. (2000) Dodge Viper GTS. So for today's video, kind of went over a few things that have been done on the 2000 Dodge Viper GTS. Also at the beginning of the video, you saw we were at a car show, saw quite a few interesting vehicles, as well as a 96 with blue with white racing stripes and a 2002 Final Edition, both at the same car show. It's pretty interesting. So last thing that I showed was a kind of clip back to when I purchased the Viper a little over a year ago, and kind of how it is now, which is running. And we will have a video here soon of me kind of driving it around in the neighborhood and walking around it, kind of telling you what I've planned for the rest of the car. And yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button as well as the subscribe button. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you get all new content coming to the channel.